Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about using the boundary tool and coloring in those boundaries using your numeric data. In your data, you'll want something numeric, like number of customers, sales, anything you have. Once you've got that data loaded, we don't even need the markers at that point, but we will need the boundary tool. In Map Tools here on the top left, we then go to the geographic boundary. We're going to, in this map, I'm going to use US zip codes, but as you see, we have a number of boundaries to choose from in all different countries. We don't have every country, but we've got all that we've been able to find. We're going to use numeric data, and I'm going to use sum, and I am going to go ahead and use sales. Click Load Boundaries, and now we see our map colored in. We see the breakdown of my sales right now is 250 to 2,500. 2,500 plus to 5,000, and so on. You can edit these in boundary settings in the gear, right in the listed boundary. You have the option of setting your line width for your boundaries themselves. You can change the color of the low values, medium values, high values. You can change the color of the breakdown. You have the ability to change the number of ranges. So we default to 4, but you see that you can make this adjustment to any of them. You can do percentage ranges or value ranges. If you change this number will follow suit, and then you can change each individually. You do have the ability to change this color to any color you wish to make it stand out better or to bring it more to focus. Once you've got it set up, we hit save, and that's what you see on the map. We can remove boundaries by clicking on the X. You do have the ability to put multiple boundaries on the map. You just can't put more than one of the same boundary, one on top of the other. Remove with the X, and you can start over simply by selecting the action, load geographic, etc. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.